Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Chic Stylish Hair. Today I'm back with DIY tutorial. Today I'm making a soft box using a thermocol for YouTube videos or photography. If a person cannot afford a soft box, they can use this method for making their own soft box in a small budget. And so I'm starting with a thermocol sheet and marking a length of 19 inch and width of 8 inch, marking midpoint on 19 inch and tracing 3 cm both sides, a total of 6 cm length, and joining them with the corner. Cut the shape with a blade or a thermocol cutter. After cutting it, you get a half triangular piece like this. You will need 4 pieces of this. For reflecting light, I'm using this gift wrapper as a reflector. I'm gonna cut this wrapper in the shape of this thermocol piece and stick it over it using a cello tape. As thermocol is so flexible and not too sturdy, I am using cello tape to tape it over the surface of this thermocol piece. Alright, after taping the cello tape and sticking the reflector or a gift wrapper, I'm gonna assemble all the pieces in a square shape. This is a butter paper sheet I'm gonna use. When the light passes through this sheet, the light gets softened, and this way you get a soft light from the soft box, and using this mechanism you get a softer light for your videos or a photo shoot. DIY soft box